morning students. Today I'm here with this special video. Here I am going to teach you the topic some more applications of linear regression in one variable, and this is exercise 2.4. Question number 1 says that Amina thinks of a number and subtracts 5 by 2 from it. She multiplies the result by 8. The result now obtained is 3 times the same number she thought of. What is the number? So let's start the solution from here. Amina thinks of a number and at the end question say what is the number. So we don't know about the number. What is the number? Suppose the number is x. So let's suppose number is x. Let the number be x. Therefore, according to question, ATQ means according question. Question says that Amina thinks of a number and subtracts 5 by 2 from it, means x minus 5 by 2. After that, she multiplies the result. This is the result now. She multiplies this result by 8. Like this. The result now obtained means this is equal to 3 times means into 3 times the same number she thought of. The same number she thought of means x, because we suppose that she thought the number is x. Now question is done. Little bit we are required, just multiplication is there, simplify. We will do simplification and at the end we will get the number. See how to simplify this. This is 2 into x, that's 2x minus 5 into 1. There is nothing, so it is 1. 5 into 1, that's 5, whole divided by 2 ones are 2 into 8 as it is equal to 3x. So it's 2 ones are 2 fours are, so it is 2x minus 5 into 4 is equal to 3x. Do a little bit simplification here. 4 2s are 8x minus 4 5s are 20 is equal to 3x. Bring that 3x to left hand side, it becomes 8x minus 3x is equal to, and transpose this 20 to right, it becomes plus 20 there. Now 8x minus 3x, that is 5x, is equal to 20. So I will write here x will be equal to 20 upon 5. 5 ones are, 5 fours are, so x is 4. It means Amina thought about this number. She took 4 in the beginning. Hope you understood and have a nice day. Bye. Take care.